In this 2-minute video, we demonstrate the different results a 3D printing user gets from having a precise CAD model versus an STL model. We first load the STL model that was generated using standard visualization, quality triangulation. Using CGM Polyhedral, we slice it at 1 mm intervals. Now we launch a second instance of the application and load the precise CAD model from SAT format. We slice it with the same 1 mm interval using either CGM Core Modeler or 3D ACES Modeler. See that the slices through the fillet surface are smooth. Comparing side by side with the slices made from STL input shows very clearly the advantage to using precise CAD modeling. With STL input, the user is limited to the tessellation accuracy that was chosen by the originating system and has no ability to make it finer without possibly altering the design intent. When the user is given an application that can directly import precise CAD models from native formats like CATIA and SolidWorks or standard formats like STEP, they save precious engineering time and produce higher quality parts.